Hey everybody, welcome back. It's Dyno Dan here again with you. Today I want to go through a feature in PowerCore, specifically WinPEP 8 data center, to help you evaluate your data logs. Typically, as a dyno operator, everyone's looking at power, power versus time versus speed versus RPM. So you typically end up with a dyno graph. Now, when you also have a supported vehicle that's been flashed with a Dynojet PowerVision 3, there's all sorts of extra information that's available to plot. So things can get very busy. Of course, this environment, the graph view can be split into, 3 graphs. And so what I like to do, because I tend to get lost in the data, but the data will help you find your way in regards to creating a better tune. So what I like to do is also add another little window over here, which if we go up to the top toolbar and select data, you'll be able to slide over here, might be under Windows, excuse me. So there's a show table view right here. And this can be pinned so that it kind of melts away over on the side, or it can, as you can see, it just kind of melts away or pops out. If you've got a big enough monitor, I find it advantageous to leave it stuck out over here. So first thing I'm going to do is right-click with my mouse over in this area. I'm going to say Add Channels. In this case, I'm looking for data from the 2018 Maverick X3. I'll select it, and now you'll see that I have a whole bunch of data over here. Now, me personally, I like to get rid of things that aren't useful. So what I'm going to do is right-click on the column header and go down to Column Chooser. I'm going to left-click and drag Index out of my way. I'm also going to drag, in this particular case, the source. I know that I selected the Maverick X3, and I know that these data logs are from the Maverick X3. So what that does, it just gives me a little more room over here. So now I'm back in the graph view, and I'm able to select any particular area. And you'll notice here we're making 149 wheel horsepower. The injector duty cycle looks like it's just about pinned at 100%. But you'll notice if you keep your eyes over here, the table view data on the right-hand side of the screen is changing. So as we drop to 133 horsepower, no matter what I have selected, this is load actual, I'm going to have the full plethora of available channels from that vehicle to have a really one-stop view of all that's going on. Okay, I hope you enjoyed that tip. I use it all the time. Anytime I'm in this environment where I've collected additional vehicle data, this is exactly how I am looking at the data. Thanks for tuning in.